To record your PC screen, go to the media. Over here, click this record drop-down menu and choose record PC screen. You'll get this recorder toolbar. You can record full screen, or if you want to record only part of the screen, click this arrow and choose custom. You can now drag corners or move the whole capturing screen where you want. You can see dimensions over here. Also, you can enable or disable speakers or microphone if you don't want to record your voice. Also, you can choose the hardware you need. This little text tells you which monitor you are recording, so if you have multiple monitors, make sure to switch them here. This is practically all you need, but if you need advanced options, click this cog here. Over here you can choose where you want to save your recording, frame rate and quality. Also, you can set your recording time. You can show mouse clicks, and my recommendation is to disable this play mouse click sounds because it's very distracting and annoying for those who watch your video. You can pause or stop with F9 and F10 shortcuts on your keyboard. When you're ready, just click the big red button and after 3 seconds it will start recording your screen. You can see the red recording icon down here. Just right click and select Open Recorder. You can pause it or click stop when you are done. When you click stop, it will automatically import your screen recording in the media library, so you can just put it on the timeline and begin editing. And this is it. My name is Filip and this is a quick video on how to record your screen in Filmora 9. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.